Do you know each other?
Yeah, didn't he tell you? Tell me what? Ray's our CIA liaison with NCIS in the Fort Sport killer case. He has been from the start.
Information, a cover story? I was detecting you. I do not need your fiction. It was need to know information. I was not all the time, period.
Did you sleep with Agent Barrett?
No. And if I did, I would kill you then. I didn't come in for this case, Eva. I came in for you.
No, just stop it. Was any of it real?
Yes.
Were you just planning on using me to get information just in case things with Barrett didn't pan out? I mean, was that it? I mean, am I part of this?
You overreact.
Oh my gosh, you want to see me overreact, right? Why don't you tell me a little? Why don't you tell me the sky is yellow? Why don't you tell me that water is not white or that sand is not dry? Why don't you tell me that you love me?
I love you. I love you, Steve.